Security Forces Hospital. Quality care is our priority. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is witnessing vast developmental progress, resulting in an improved quality of life for Saudi citizens. Among these advancements, the medical field is considered the most progressive, applying a level of medical services almost equal to the standard available in the developed world. Through the combination of qualified personnel and innovative technology, the Ministry of Interior has formulated highly sophisticated medical services, all of which can be attained at the Security Forces Hospital. Security Forces Hospital is one of the leading healthcare service providers in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, holding a reputable name and a great record of achievement. The emergency department at the Security Forces Hospital is well prepared and highly equipped to respond to patients with the need for emergency care around the clock and has the staff and facilities to accommodate critical cases. The hospital encompasses various medical specialties in order to provide a superior standard of care to the employees of the Ministry of Interior and their families. These specialties include internal medicine, surgery, pediatrics, obstetrics, and gynecology. In addition, there are a number of subspecialties available in each field. In 2008, the surgery department at the Security Forces Hospital program performed more than 9,800 surgeries. The surgery department consists of 90 surgeons specializing in a variety of fields and the technicians and staff to support the physicians. In addition to the general surgery unit, the specialized sections include orthopedics, neurosurgery, ophthalmic surgery, plastic surgery, urology, pediatrics, and ENT.
تولي وزارة الداخلية مشفى والأمن جل رعايتها لتحقيق أرفع مستوى ممكن من الأداء الطبي المتميز، وتحظى أقسام الجراحة كغيرها من أقسام المستشفى بالاهتمام والتطوير المستمر في العناصر البشرية والأجهزة المختلفة لمواكبة العصر، ومن هنا ضم المستشفى الكثير من الكفاءات الطبية المتميزة وكذلك الشعب المتخصصة المختلفة.
The orthopedic surgery unit at the Security Forces Hospital is considered one of the most distinguished in the region. The department is composed of 5 separate divisions: laparoscopic, trauma, spinal, pediatric orthopedic, and joint replacement. Considered the busiest department in the hospital, the surgical unit is often fully occupied. The neurosurgery section has physicians and support staff who have achieved a high rate of success in a number of specialized and critical types of surgeries. The ophthalmic surgeons and support staff have achieved tremendous success in performing cataract and retinal surgeries. The staff of the pediatric surgery section specialize in treating congenital abnormalities that affect children. Within this department, a number of oncological surgeries is performed as well. The services provided by the staff of the anesthesia department can be seen in many different sectors of the hospital, including the operating room, the intensive care units, the emergency department, as well as the vital role in cardiopulmonary resuscitation. The internal medicine department maintain a high level of care for inpatients and outpatients based on international standards. The internal medicine department includes a cardiology unit with coronary care treatment rooms, with all the latest equipment and instruments needed to monitor the heart, such as echocardiogram and electrocardiogram. The cardiology unit is equipped to diagnose the disabled, as well as the critical care cases. Annually, the team in the cardiology unit performs over 400 cardiac catheterizations and provides services to more than 20,000 patients. The nephrology and renal dialysis unit staff provides services to those suffering from end-stage renal disease and renal failure. The team in this unit also performs peritoneal renal dialysis. Additionally, preventive services are provided within the unit for patients diagnosed with hepatitis. The internal medicine department covers the care of diabetic patients and other endocrinology problems. The gastroenterology unit includes the finest technical equipment. The medical team in the unit uses innovative ultrasound techniques in performing liver biopsies and the most modern technology in performing laparoscopic digital imaging. For the diagnosis of symptoms in the small intestine, laparoscopic capsules are available in the department. The dermatology unit is equipped with qualified physicians, support staff, and state-of-the-art equipment, thus becoming a pioneer in treating skin cancers with the use of the most systems. The thoracic and respiratory unit includes physicians and technicians who are able to operate the latest medical technology, including a highly sophisticated lung laparoscopic instrument, which is used to monitor the intricacies of the alveoli sacs in the lung. Also available in this unit is a nuclear-based instrument to monitor patients suffering from lack of oxygen and to monitor those patients who have congenital abnormalities of the respiratory system. The rheumatic disease unit provides screenings to aid in diagnosing patients with musculoskeletal complaints or abnormalities. The staff of the infection control unit develops protocols and procedures to aid in controlling all kinds of infection throughout the hospital based on international standards.
قسم النساء والولادة من أهم مميزات مستشفى قوى الأمن لقدراته الإكلينيكية المتطورة بالإضافة إلى الكوادر الفنية والطبية المتميزة. لذا يحقق القسم إنجازات على مستوى متقدم ولله الحمد، وهو من أكبر أقسام مستشفى قوى الأمن من حيث عدد المراجعات. وصلنا إلى حوالي 7,000.
Furthermore, the Obstetrics and Gynecology Department is extremely distinguished with the accreditation by the Saudi Commission for Health Specialties and is considered the most appropriate center for the Arab board examination. The pediatric department at the Security Forces Hospital consists of a number of specialized consultancy clinics to cover the fields of gastrology, hepatobiliary, neurology, cardiology, rheumatology, and endocrinology, as well as hematology and oncology. The dentistry department has a number of medical staff who have obtained international acclaim in their field. The hospital administration fully provides the most modern equipment in order to support the best dental care to the Ministry of Interior employees and their dependents. The family and community medicine clinics are the main gate through which patients enter Security Forces Hospital. The clinics receive more than 800,000 patients per year. The clinics are set up to provide the patients with the proper treatment and to refer or transfer the patient to more specialized services in other departments of the hospital as necessary.
برنامج مستشفى قوى الأمن في الرياض هو من الصروح الطبية الرائدة في مدينة الرياض وفي المملكة العربية السعودية، وهو يقدم خدمات صحية متميزة من الدرجة الأولى ومن الدرجة الثانية وجزء كبير من الدرجة الثالثة. ورغم الأعداد الكبيرة لمراجعي هذا المستشفى ورغم الأعداد الهائلة للمستفيدين منه، إلا أن هذه الخدمات بحمد الله متميزة تشهد بذلك المؤسسات العالمية والمحلية المسؤولة عن تقييم المستشفيات.
Another source of achievement that sets Security Forces Hospital program apart is the implementation of the electronic medical records for every patient. This system allows physicians to access the patient's file easily, thus instantly receiving any necessary medical information. Moreover, with this technology at their fingertips, the physicians are able to electronically request laboratory tests, clinical procedures, and prescriptions for medications. All of these advancements were made possible using effective and cost-efficient procedures. The laboratory department at the Security Forces Hospital has excellently trained staff and is fully equipped with the latest technology. Over 2 million laboratory tests are done each year, including hematology, parasitology, and histopathology services. The radiology imaging department at the Security Forces Hospital boasts well-trained staff and state-of-the-art equipment to assist in the diagnosis and treatment of patients, including magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, nuclear medicine radiology, and CT scanning. The Pharmaceutical Services Department has the qualified staff to monitor the supply of medications for the inpatients and outpatients through advanced electronic systems. The Physiotherapy Department includes highly trained specialized staff and technicians who use the latest technology in their field to provide services to patients. The department also contains a laboratory area to test musculoskeletal support devices for the patients. Recently, the department established a pediatric rehabilitation unit and a unit that can design and manufacture artificial extremities for those in need of such services. The Academic and Health Education Affairs Department contributes substantially to the distinguished reputation of the Security Forces Hospital. These departments include the Medical Education Program, which has been recognized by the Saudi Commission for Health Specialties and by a number of international scientific organizations. The services provided by the Academic and Health Education Affairs Department are not limited and provide a platform for further guidance for students and interns from the various universities and medical training institutions in the kingdom and the region. The Nutrition and Food Services Department has the staff available to provide nutritional meals to inpatients based on their individual medical needs and dietary requirements. Over the last several years, many expansions and development programs have taken place at the Security Forces Hospital in Riyadh. One of the most outstanding accomplishments is the Family and Community Medicine Building. Recently, the construction for the Prince Naif Center for Renal Dialysis Security Forces Hospital. Quality care is our priority.